So they have given one database and they are asking us to make this database into third normal form. And we already have seen what is 1NF. What is 1NF? There should not be no multi-valued, no repeating groups. Yeah, no repeating groups, right? So, and also we have understood that what is 2NF? 2NF is no partial dependencies. So, no partial dependencies. No partial dependencies. And what is 3NF, children? No transitive dependencies. No transitive dependencies. No transitive dependencies. Right? Set up. Now, if you can see here, transitive. Okay? Transitive. Now, the patient ID is dependent on patient name? Yes. And do you think that patient ID is also dependent on patient DOB? Okay. So do you think that there should be any relationship between patient ID and doctor ID? Yes. Do you think that there should be also be noted the doctor name? Do you think that it has to, the patient visit date also should be tagged, and what is the treatment undergoing? So do you think that entire thing should be kept in the single table? Because the third normal form is no transitive dependencies. These are all dependent but not directly. So let us make patient ID which are totally dependent on the primary key. Let us make a difference with that. Then patient name, okay, and then the patient DOB. Okay, so let us try to divide these three into. Is it clear? So can we make this? And can we make these two as one table? Doctor ID, because doctor ID is the primary key. One ID will be there for each doctor and the doctor name will be noted for that. So there will not be any repetition. If I use this doctor ID in this, so the same patient will be contacting the doctor ID, but every time he contacts it, the doctor name is repeated. So there should not be any repeating group. So we have taught that only one time the doctor ID and doctor name will be saved. And next time when the patient visits, so visit date can't be made as primary key. And the treatment, okay, for whom these are related? So it is related to the patient ID, am I right? So how can I keep track who is coming on which date? And visit date and treatment is for this patient ID. So patient ID is to be maintained in this table, and also visit ID also, how many times he has visited. Even though they have not given here, we can have a primary key here, visit data. And if I have to know through which doctor this patient ID is going to, then I have to maintain doctor ID column also here. Is it understood? Yeah. So now can I say that there is no partial dependencies? It is not dependent any partial, no partial dependencies, no transitive dependencies, no repeating groups, because we have already divided. So I can write like this: patient ID is the primary key, doctor ID is the primary key, and visit ID is the primary key for these three tables.